Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best car ramps available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Rhino Gear 11909 AMI Rhino ramps. These rugged ramps from Rhino Gear feature a non-skid base and a tread pattern that prevents tires from slipping with a 17-degree incline that is useful for low-clearance vehicles. They're also stackable when not in use and can hold vehicles up to 12,000 GVW, gross vehicle weight, with tires as wide as 9 inches. That's good enough for most cars and small to medium SUVs. Rhino Gear made them of a sturdy, heavy-duty polymer, and it takes just seconds to set them up and drive a vehicle onto them. They also provide a good amount of clearance, enough to place a 5-gallon water bucket underneath, but there are downsides. The main being is if you hit the guards on the ends of the ramps while driving, the vehicle may drag them forward, and too much power or momentum can cause the ramps to slide and potentially crack. Product specs: constructed of heavy-duty polymer, 12,000 gross vehicle weight capacity, 17-degree incline. Pros: easy to use, provide a good amount of clearance, rugged construction. Cons: can drag forward if you hit the end guards while driving on them. They may slide around or crack if used with too much momentum. The second product on our list is Race Ramps RR 40-inch Race Ramp. The Race Ramps RR 40-inch Race Ramp is a solid option for smaller vehicles. Unlike most ramps on our list, this one is intended strictly as a lighter-duty option, starting with a 1,500-pound weight capacity per ramp. With 2 ramps, that means 3,000 pounds, so consider this a solid option for sports cars or compact performance vehicles. It also uses lightweight high-density foam in place of industrial-grade rubber or steel with tread pattern. Although it promises an anti-slip grip, a heavy treaded steel or rubber option offers better durability. In terms of size, these are on the smaller side, fitting tires up to 8 inches wide with a shorter than average 16.7-degree angle of approach, good for some, but not all, low-clearance vehicles. An included strap carry handle and 6-pound weight per ramp makes it easy to carry from shop to shop. Consider this car ramp if you are looking to service smaller, lighter cars. Specification: brand, Race Ramps. Model: RR40. Weight: 8.47 pounds. Pros: 1,500-pound weight capacity per ramp. Decent 16.7-degree angle of approach. Includes carry handle strap. Cons: no tread pattern for traction. Lower than average weight capacity per ramp. No integrated water channels underneath. The third product on our list is Black Widow PSR 295 plastic car service ramps. This set of black plastic ramps from Black Widow, an unfortunate name for a tool that's meant to impart safety, will lift your car or truck up to 6.25 inches off the ground. Each ramp measures 35.5 by 12 by 8.5 inches and is able to accommodate vehicles that weigh up to 16,000 pounds. The ramps have a gentle slope and a tire stopper at the end of the flat platform, and a gridded surface texture aids your tires in getting traction. They also have rubber feet on the bottom, which makes using these ramps safer and easier. There are also handle cutouts on the side to make carrying them easier. Unfortunately, the plastic used to manufacture these ramps is not the most durable, and you'll want to keep an eye out for cracking. They're also bulky, and you can't stack them, which makes storage a challenge. Product specs: constructed of high-impact plastic, 16,000-pound weight capacity, lifts vehicles 6.25 inches off the ground. Pros: good traction for tires, gentle slope, easy to carry. Cons: may crack over time, bulky, not designed to stack for storage. The fourth product on our list is Ramps Low Profile Plastic Car Service Ramps. This is another option from discount ramps for lower profile cars, as this set of 2 ramps have a low incline of 9.05 degrees. These ramps are made of heavy-duty plastic and feature a honeycomb design on the ramp and platform for better grip, stability, and helps to prevent the buildup of moisture. Each ramp measures 27.5 L x 7 to 3/4 inches wide x 2 to 1/2 inches high, and they have a maximum weight capacity of 4,400 pounds. The plastic construction keeps them lightweight at just 9 pounds, which makes them a breeze to move about. While these lifts are designed for low cars, they don't actually lift the car very much. In total, they raise the car 2.5 inches. So you may have to use a jack or service lift to get it further into the air. They also don't have any rubber or non-slip footings, so they'll slide around on your garage floor. Product specs: constructed of heavy-duty plastic, 4,400 pound weight capacity, 9.05 degree incline. Pros: honeycomb design promotes stability. Gentle incline accommodates low-profile vehicles. Lightweight and easy to move. Cons: raises vehicle just 2.5 inches. No non-slip footings to keep them in place. The 5th product on our list is Vivo Home Car Ramps Low Profile Plastic. Car Service Solution: Vivo Home Car Service Ramps, set of 4 pieces, provide a great solution to the problems commonly faced by owners and race teams of lowered vehicles, offering them an easier way to display or repair their cars, SUVs, vans, and pickups. 9.05 degrees inclination: the 9.05 degrees loading angle allows an easier and safer access than trolley jacks and lifts for lowered vehicles. The car ramps elevates the vehicles for an additional 2.75 inches off the ground for performing routine maintenance or changing oils. Engineering design: with honeycomb channel design, water, oil, debris and any other dirt can be right away cleared from the ramps. Widened surface provides a larger area to fit your extra wide tires easily for enhanced stability and safety. Heavy-duty plastic, made of lightweight but high impact and strengthened PP material, it is durable and sturdy enough to easily accommodate any car or truck for service or maintenance with a generous weight capacity 13,200 pounds/6 tons in total, 3,300 pounds/1.5 tons for each. Safe guarantee curved groove design on the top surface of ramp is to secure vehicles and to prevent it from sliding down. Slip-resistant feet ensure the service ramps won't slip on concrete shop floors. It is perfect for either home garage or full-blown auto service center use. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.